Hello, Le Mans prototype racing fans that also like cartoons. So we have a deformed version of this Audi Team Goh livery from the 2003 24 Hours of Le Mans. And this is made by a brand called ChoroQ. I believe they must be the originator of deformed vehicles because they started in like 1980. Oh, this is really small. So it's obviously very foreshortened. Okay. What I didn't know is this Team Go, they've been around a long time, and they've competed in not only the 20 international endurance racing, but also formula racing. Okay, this car actually came in fourth place in that 24-hour of Le Mans, but they did win two other races that year, flat out, all out, that is. All right, look at the wheels. They're really nice. They look like the wheels in the photograph, multi-spokes. And then the tires, they're okay. They're rounded, at least in the back. The front, they're kind of slap-sided. This is a real vent. You can literally see the light passing there, so that's kind of neat. Yeah. Okay, the tampo printing is very nice. No decals. This is actually all paint on the side of this thing. It's all real sponsorship. Canon. I don't know what Infineon is. But we have the Audi rings up there. There's also a helmet in here that's got some tampo printing, which is pretty cool. NACA ducts all over. Fuel fillers. Venting for the wheels. Yeah, like I said, we have a real vent down there. The passenger seat, that's really not a seat, I guess. So I don't know what that is. Computer box, maybe. Konami, the video game company, and known for a few diecasts in their day. Okay, so all the sponsorship looks great. This is a darkly smoked body. This is the plastic here, darkly smoked, and then they painted the rest, which is quite interesting, if not amazing. This little vent detail, it doesn't go very far, unfortunately. The wing, as you can see, not too wide, not too thick, looks okay. Alright, this side looks the same as the other. Panel gaps are all pretty tight, being a plastic body. And then we have the sticker here, 2003, and what the car is. On the bottom, standard construction, a screw and a tab, and then it tells you also again what it is. And it tells you that this toy came out in 2004. And this is a pullback toy, that's why you have this silly, obnoxious rectangle just hanging off the back of this car. But if you put a coin there, that thing will do a wheelie. But I find, I don't like them. I just don't like them. Okay, well, that's it for that. So we do have a few other LMP cars. I thought this was the same casting as this 2004 version. I think this may have won a race or two in its day also. But the wing is actually slightly different. This one has these rectangles up in this wing, whereas the last casting didn't have that. But I do believe the rest of it is the same. You'll have to pause the video and decide for yourself. Thanks to a commenter, I now know what this is. This is a Panos LMP1. It's really from a set called Valiant, which is a Japanese cartoon about auto racing. But it's well done, you know. It's got nice different wheels and yeah, Michelle Valiant. Anyways, here's a Nissan R390 GT1, I believe it is. Yes, it is. This came from 2004. 3D printed my own mesh wheels. And the last one is a Toyota LMP car. This one has those metallic Hot Wheels aftermarket wheels, and they just squished on the tires from ChoroQ. But they are cracking, so be mindful of that. You're eventually going to have cracked rubber tires. But definitely looks cool with metal wheels. This is from Toys Dream Project 2, some sort of collection. Let those go for a spin. You can pause and look at all the details if you want. Let me hit focus again. I guess that's as good as I can get it. So, another Audi to enter my collection. There aren't too many Audis done by ChoroQ, so pick them up if you can, if you like Audi. Hopefully they'll just do some more. They just seem to, I don't know why. They just don't do many Audis, or really European cars in general. They're a Japanese brand, so they have access to most Japanese companies. But it'd be ideal if they just did it, all sorts of international brands. Like I would like to see some road-going Audis, like the A8 or something. Or I know they did a TT, an Audi TT, but I'd like to see the big sedans. Alright guys, well, we'll see you in the next ChoroQ video. Thanks for checking this one out. See ya.